Good morning, students. I am Sindhuja from RK and Gyanjodi Public School, Chengalpet. Today, I will take the science class for 8th standard. Today's portion is Chapter 3 Coal and Petroleum. What is petroleum? It is a dark brownish to green colored viscous liquid fossil fuel. It has strong foul smell due to the presence of sulfur containing compounds in it. It is commonly called as crude oil. The economy of a nation depends to a great extent on petroleum wealth. The petroleum is called the black gold. This is the petroleum. Origin of petroleum. Petroleum is a complex mixture of solid, liquid and gaseous hydrocarbons mixed with salt water and earthy particles. It is always found trapped between two impervious rocks. It is believed that petroleum is formed by the anaerobic decomposition of extremely small sea animals and plants which got buried in the sea bed millions of years ago. Let us see how this happened. As they die, their body settle down at bottom of sea. With passage of time, they get compressed due to layer of sand and clay deposited over time. Under high pressure and temperature, in absence of air, these dead plants and animals slowly get converted to petroleum and natural gas. So all are able to understand. The next one, occurrence of petroleum. Petroleum occurs at a moderate depth 500 meter to 200 meters between the two layers of impervious rocks. The petroleum is lighter than water and hence floats over it. Natural gas is found above petroleum, trapped between the rock cap and petroleum layer. So all are able to understand this occurrence of petroleum. Then drilling of oil wells. So this is the occurrence of petroleum under the surface of earth. The hole is drilled into the earth crust. When it reached the rock cap, the natural gas comes out first with the great pressure. When the pressure of gas subsides, petroleum starts flowing out due to the pressure of natural gas. So all are able to understand. The next one, refining of petroleum. Petroleum is a mixture of several hydrocarbons. It also contains water, salt and rocky materials. It cannot be used in this made from either as a fuel or a basic material to produce other useful components. Before being put to use, it has to be purified and refined. The process of separating the various components of petroleum from one another is known as refining of petroleum. This is done by a process called fractional distillation, which is based on the fact that the different component of petroleum have distinctly different boiling points. In fractional distillation, crude petroleum is heated to a temperature of 0 degree Celsius or slightly above in a furnace. So this is the method of fractional distillation method to separate it out into the different oil containing different temperature. First one 20 degree Celsius to removing the petroleum gas, 40 degree Celsius to containing the gasoline, 70 degree Celsius naphthalene, 120 degree Celsius to give kerosene, 200 degree Celsius to giving diesel oil, 300 degree Celsius to giving lubricating oil, 600 degree Celsius giving fuel oil residue. So all are able to understand. Then chemical composition of petroleum. Petroleum is not a uniform material. In fact, its chemical and physical composition can vary not only with the location and age of the oil field but also with the depth of the individual well. Indeed, two adjacent wells may produce petroleum with markedly different characteristics. So all are able to understand this chemical composition of petroleum. Okay, then uses of petroleum. Petroleum products are used as fuels. Lubricating oils and Vaseline are used by lubricants. Paraffin wax products of petroleum is used for manufacturing candles, polishes, waxed paper, waterproofing, etc. Some of the byproducts of petroleum after purification are used in the preparation of medicines, ointments, face creams and cosmetics. So all are able to understand these uses? Okay. Then another one type of uses, constitution of petroleum and uses. Petroleum gas in liquid gas form. For example, LPG. Uses, fuel for home, industry and vehicles. Petrol, motor and aviation fuel, solvent for dry cleaning. Next one, kerosene, fuel for stoves, lamps and for jet aircraft. Diesel, fuel for heavy motor vehicles, electric generators. Lubricating oil, lubrication. Paraffin wax, ointment, candles, Vaseline. Bitumen, paints and roads surfacing. So all are able to understand this uses of constitution of petroleum? Okay. Thank you, students.